In Lighthouse Point, Florida, taking care again of one of our amazing customers. We did this installation back in November of 2024. As you see, we're here doing some tune-ups, but what's interesting is this right here. See all that algae and bacteria just came out of that drain line. We got 2 units on one drain. But this is what I'm talking about. This is why friends and family is so important. Being part of the plan, getting on it, save you a lot more. But this stuff came out of this. Take a close-up look. Some big units. It's a big 4-ton 2-stage here. Did American standard on the 1.5 ton, only because shortage of equipment at the end of the year. You can see it's pretty similar units, slightly different on the color. This one is more like a greenish, that's gray. Locking caps. On the flex, it's already passed city inspection of here in Lighthouse Point, Florida. Digital gauges, you gotta have it, man. Gotta have it. Gotta have that gauges tell you everything. That's my coil temperature right here, indoor coil temperature. I'm getting a 0 sub cooling, but I'll take a look into that and see why. That's our pressures. Basically tell us everything. That's my liquid line temperature right here. That's my liquid saturation temperature there. And this one, that's my vapor saturation temperature, high head pressure, low suction pressure. Take a look. Customers, stick with us. November 2024. This is a very important step you must always do after flushing the drain line. You fill the trap back up. So the water from the HVAC, from these air handlers, flow on gravity. So if the air handler is sucking air, it prevents the water from flowing. So when you flush it out, fill the trap back up. You can see how that water is going up and down right there. Fill it up. So it's easier for it to flow, and then you just let it start draining on its own, pretty much. So after we fill the strap up with water, make sure everything is back in place properly. There you go. Alright. What's important too, you don't leave this sitting on the side of the customer house. You clean this up, right? Make sure you have some gloves on, but again, the stuff is pretty nasty. The customer do have pets. You don't want the pets to be eating this stuff. Not sure what's inside of it. You don't leave it there. Clean it up. Throw it in the trash. You know, get it out of the way. That dirty work, man. That's how you take care of our friends and family, customers. Right here. Take all the heavy, yucky stuff up. Clean the grass up. Back to normal. Badang, gone, clean. Happy customer. Alright, so we're all cleaned up. As you can see what's happening now, right? Got a lot of piston action going on right now. There's both units draining. We're gonna go back up in the attic, take a sneak peek, make sure everything's good. As you can see, draining good, clean the area up. We'll see you in the next 90 days, 3 months. Things should be good.